Edmar stickers, I don't really know how to pronounce that. And I'm trying to get some custom stickers on here. That way, you know, self-promotion. I'm gonna have my Instagram right here or back here. Not really too sure. Yeah, I'll probably get 3 of those just in case so I can make the decision. And then one right here with the YouTube, the channel's name right here. So I'm probably gonna do like a 6" by 1" for the Instagram. Probably like a 15 by 2 in the front for the windshield. 6 by 1, 15 by 2. Let's go inside and talk to the guys. I am clean and subtle. That looks really good. That looks so good. These decals look so good on the car. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna keep the ones on the side of the window because they're kind of like at an angle. But I know for sure I'm definitely keeping the one on the rear windshield. That one I really like, and they're all very subtle stickers. And the one in the front really pops out because of the red YouTube logo. So it's perfect. I didn't want anything that was not gonna match the car or that stood out too much. So it matches the theme of the car with the red and the black. Very, very good. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go to a paintless dent and ding removal place and see if we can get a quote on how much it's going to be to get these dents removed. So let's go ahead and see what the quote comes out to. It shouldn't take too long, like 10-15 minutes to get that quoted. Alright guys, so we're over here at Paintless Dent Removal and we're going to see how much it's going to cost to remove all of these little dings and dents that are throughout the whole entire body, besides the hood of course. And hopefully it won't be that much. The only part that I don't really see any is on the hood.
Fiberglass.
Yeah, but
or fiber something. That's why the hood doesn't have it.
But all right here.
Floor panel. That doesn't fiberglass too. Shrunk it does. It should have been beat up.
Yeah.
They had it protected with something. I don't see.
Yeah, the one day he left it out there when that hailstorm hit. Even the windshield was cracked and I had to replace it.
Yeah, I think we can, Mike. There might be a couple that aren't just 100% perfect, but for the most part, I don't see it being an issue. I mean, a lot of these are really just have a lot of big dents or spikes, extra dents next to it. This is probably going to be about the worst, but
oh, the one right here,
yeah,
right
just
on
right
the
here,
corner.
right there by the windshield.
Okay.
These things are wide open once we take the headliner down. There's just a brace here and a brace here, a little bit on the side.
Mm-hmm.
So like I said, I don't see it being a problem, but I mean, they are large dents, so.
Yeah.
So up to what size of a dent y'all are able to remove? Like something as small as like a...
Well, you know, it all depends how sharp it is, and I mean, we do big ones sometimes. It depends just how big and sharp it is, and which kind of metal it sits on, or aluminum, stuff like that. Where it's at is also very important. Like right here, see, this is normally these are plastic on here. On most cars, it's metal right here, and it's double layered, so you can't get to the tools to the back side of it. You have to do on here, you have to glue these little tabs on there and pull it out, so you're a little more. You can't do as big a dent as you can if you put a tool on it.
Yeah.
Like the headline, I mean the roof can.
Oh, okay.
So it's, and like just right here, we'll be able to get our tool on just about everything from the tail light. We'll be able to get tools on these bigger dents. Otherwise, we got to glue pull those. It wouldn't come out right. These are big mean. Those are big mean dents.
Yeah.
He must have. Oh, must be it's a fiberglass trunk. That's where it dents on it. They explained it. Like there's not dents on the trunk.
Yeah,
it's like the hood. It's fiberglass. That's what it is. So everything is got metal.
Yeah. Like these. What about these? Like.
We get all those out. We get
okay, that's cool.
We'll go. You're using some sort of holes through here, or we'll take up the fender liner and get from the
yeah.
backside.
Okay, yeah. So that's good news because I was worried about those really small ones, not more so the big ones, at least in my opinion, because I don't, of course, I'm not a professional at this, but I was worried about those little tiny ones that have very small creases, and he said that it'll be no problem. Ooh. GTO. Ooh. One more time, player. Alright guys, so we're gonna take a look at the estimate here. Definitely not what I was expecting, but I could understand why. So the quote was $3,668.04. And there is the estimate, so y'all know that I'm telling the truth. And from Dents and Dings, and bam. That car does have a lot of work to be done, and it's very time consuming. But realistically, this is not gonna be the best and ideal decision to get that car repaired and, you know, how I would like it. The realistic thing would be to just go ahead and get some body work done and get it painted, which would probably be like in the $5,000 for a good paint job. Maybe, I don't know, we'll get another estimate soon, but yeah, just repairing the dents and dings, it's just gonna be too much, and it's not even, especially on the roof area, it's not all gonna come out 100%. Like if you still look at it and you're nicking and picking, you're gonna find imperfections. So it's best to maybe try and get some of those removed and just go ahead and get some body work done. You know, maybe get some Bondo over these dents, because they're not gonna come out 100%, and it's just gonna cost way too much to get them removed in this fashion. So I think realistically we're gonna have to look into getting some body work and a paint job done into the, you know, in like next year or something, because I want to get these mods, I want to take it to the track and then get it cosmetically 100%. Alright guys, so it's another day, and I got those parts in. Here we have some tubing for the head cooling mod. I don't really want to take everything out of this bag because I don't want to lose anything, but it comes with, you know, I can't even really tell you guys because I don't know how to install this, and I'm not going to be installing it myself. I'm going to have my performance shop do it for me, because this is a little bit above my knowledge, and I really want to make sure that this gets done the right way. Basically, it comes with a whole bunch of just stuff. So we're gonna be doing this hopefully in about a week or two. That way we can get cylinders 7 and 8 nice and healthy, and I don't have to worry about them, you know, like messing up because they're not getting that coolant. That coolant is not passing through. So this was provided for me by Lightning Force Performance, and also this big mouth single blade throttle body. This thing is of a work of art. It's very nice, very smooth. It has like a type of groove here, I guess to ensure that the air flows a certain way, maybe, I don't know. Okay, so for some of y'all that may not know, the stock throttle body brings in about 1089 CFMs, which stands for cubic feet per minute. This aftermarket throttle body by Lightning Force Performance brings in 1700 CFMs. Now that is a gain of over 600 cubic feet per minute, which is gonna drastically improve the performance of the car, and it will allow, of course, allow more air to get drawn into the engine, keeping it cooler, keeping it happier, making it perform better. Now you don't just want to automatically just throw this on there. If you're doing like just a throttle body spacer, you're fine just slapping that on there. If you throw this on there without getting it tuned, what's gonna happen is that you're gonna have it's gonna draw in more air, and it's not gonna draw in more fuel. So things are gonna start to get unbalanced, and the car is not gonna perform the way it should. It may even give you, you know, like a higher idle, whatever have you. So what my approach is gonna be is I'm gonna slap this on there when I'm ready to get it tuned. So what my plans are is to get a lower crankshaft pulley on the bottom, a 4-pound one. Leave the upper supercharger pulley completely stock, because I do like the fact that it doesn't scream and whine as much as, you know, ones that have a smaller upper pulley. I don't want that loud whine. I know that sounds crazy, but I like it the way it is. I kind of like it subtle, and, you know, kind of, you can still hear it, but I just don't want it screaming to the point where that's all you hear. So what my plans are to get that lower pulley, install this, and then get it tuned and see where we're at. Alright guys, so that's gonna conclude today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe. It'll really help me out. Leave a like, comment down below if you have any suggestions. I read all comments. But for now, this is Solo signing off.